Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be learning this amazing backpack. Okay, you can put it as a backpack or a side bag or a sling bag, whichever way you want to use it. It's super easy and beginner friendly. Can you see how beautiful it looks? So if this is what you are searching for, watch to the end. Okay, this is the measurement for our bag, which is measuring 10 inches by 9 inches. This is the pocket, the front pocket. Okay, so from this side now we are going to mark in 3.5 inches, okay, from the top edge. Okay, so after marking it, you just connect it. After connect it, you cut it out. Okay, so after cutting it out, the result will be like this. And you also need this zip clothes, okay, which is measuring 7.5 inches. Then you insert your puller, then you use this strap to turn it over. Can you see what I am doing? Just pay attention, you will get it at the end of the project. So after that, I'm notching the center of my zip clothes. Okay, so after notching the center of my zip clothes, I will also notch the center of my panel. Okay, the one that I cut 3.5 inch. Okay, after getting it, then I will now notch side to notch side. I will place the zip clothes, the good side facing good side of the fabric. Then I'll stitch it straight. Then I will top stitch it. Don't forget to use your oil, please, anytime you are using a leather material. After that, I will place this smaller one, stitch it and turn over and top stitch. Can you see? It's very easy. Then I will trim out the excess that is not necessary. Okay, after that I will attach my logo. Then after that I will now curve my panel. I'm using 2 and 1/8, 2.5 1/4. Okay, for the top side. Then I will come in by 3 inches. Okay, so I will just curve it. Then the downside, I'm using 1.5 by 1.5. okay, to curve it. Is very simple, so just pay attention. Okay, so after curving it, I'll cut it, and then we use the other side to cut the other side that I did not cut. So after that, this is the result. So after that, I will now cover it up with my lining to form my first pockets. Okay, after getting this one being done, I will now carry this one that I cut, which is 14 inches by 12 inches. Okay, 14 inches by 12 inches. So it's a double face material. So I'm turning it to curve to mark 2 by 2, 2 inches by 2 inches. This will enable me to curve the down parts. Okay, this is for the down part. Then this other plate, I'm using it to curve the up parts. Okay, I'm just using it to curve the up parts. Okay, after getting this part being done, I'll just cut it out. Then I will use this part to trace the other side. Okay, after that I will place this my pockets, finding the midpoint so that it will align very well. Finding the midpoint, then I will place it as shown, leaving at least 1.5 inch from the downside. Okay, leaving 1.5 inch from the base. Okay, so I'll just place it as shown. Can you see what I am doing? I'll just place it as shown. Then I'll now trace it and I'll cut it out. Okay, so can you see the line is not visible, but at least that's what I did. Okay, after doing it, I've cut it out. Okay, after getting this part being done, this is the gusset for my pocket, which is measuring 15 inches by 1.5 inches. This is the up gusset with the lining. Then this is the down gusset, which is measuring 20.5 inches by 2 inches plus the lining also. Okay, after that, you now carry your zip clothes. You now place your zip clothes good side facing good side of the fabric. Then you bring your lining good side of the lining facing good side of the fabric. Then you stitch it straight. After stitching it straight, you cut the excess zipper that you don't want. Then you turn it over and top stitch it all round. Okay, applying your oil. So after top stitching it, you insert your puller. After inserting the puller, you now bring the down gusset and place it as shown, good side facing good side, plus the lining to lining and fabric to fabric. Can you see what I am doing? Just pay attention, please. You get it. It's very easy. Okay, after placing it, you just stitch it as you can see my demonstration. Okay, after stitching it, you turn it over, you now top stitch. Okay, you now top stitch and then hem it round. Okay, can you see? So you now search if the gusset, the down gusset is bigger, or anyone that is bigger, just trim it so that they can be equal. Okay, just trim it so that it can be equal. Okay, can you see what I'm doing? So after getting this part being done, I'll just go ahead and find the midpoint and notch the midpoint for both side. Okay, for the four side, I'll notch the midpoint. After notching this midpoint here, I'll also notch the midpoint on the panel of that pocket. I also notch the midpoint. So it's very simple and easy. All you need is patience, be detailed, and pay attention to your work. Okay, you're going to get it, and even the work is going to wow you, as in, is it you that made this kind of bag? So just be patient. Okay, so after that, you now align it very well, notch side to notch side. Can you see this zipper part is facing that logo side? Okay, then the down gusset is for the down part. Then you align it very well. If you watch this back, um I didn't notch any place to fit, to make it fit in. It has fit in already. So that's why I told you, if you don't have any issue, there is no need for you to notch any place for the gusset. So you just fix it and sew it round. Can you see? So after sewing it round, I'll now tape it with my bias tape. It's very easy and beginner friendly. So after that, I'll want to place it here, but before placing it here, I'm going to find the midpoint also inwardly, the midpoint of that middle one that I cut. Okay, I'll just find the midpoint of that middle one that I cut. Okay, so after finding the middle one that the midpoint for this one that I cut, I will now divide it here, or I'll just sew it. I'll just stitch it small, then I'll trim out the excess. If you look at all these already made bags, that's how they do it to fit in it. It beautifies it very well, and it make your work look unique and beautiful. So after that, before I will place this one, I'll also sew this pocket, but please make sure that your lining is aligning, is equal to the pocket that you want to sew. I just use this as a demonstration, but anyway, I know how I maneuver my way, and it came out okay for me. Okay, then you trim out the excess. You also notch this part, okay, the edges. Okay, so before you sew it to this one, I will use it to cut my back panel. Okay, I will use it to cut my back panel. Reason is because I want the back and the front panel to be equal. So after cutting the back panel, I will now carry this pocket, and then I'll align it very well, good side to good side, north side to north side. Then I'll align it very well. I will turn it and I will stitch it round. Can you see? So I will just stitch it round. It's very easy and beginner friendly. So please just pay attention, and you will get it at the end of your project. So after getting this part being done, I will just notch this part also. So after notching this part, I will now bring another lining and then cover it up. Okay, I'll just bring another lining, then I'll sew it round. Can you see? This fabric is a stretchy fabric, that's why you are seeing it like that. So this is my back panel. I'm attaching foam to my back panel plus the lining. I will sew it. Can you see? So please, I will advise you to use a fabric that is not stretchy, you understand, so that you will not have all these places that are shrink, that are looking as if they are not fitting. Okay, after getting this part being done, I'll also align it very well with my back panel so that they can be equal. Any part that is not fitting, I'll just trim it out. Mine, I'll trim it off camera. So this is the up gusset for the main body of the bag, which is 19 inches by 4. Okay, after that, this is the down gusset, okay, which is measuring 27 inches by 5. Okay, so after getting this part being done, you now start sewing it together. So I will sew it just the way I saw the gusset to that front pocket. Okay, good side facing good side with my zip clothes. Then I will now trim out the excess zipper. I'll cut it out, I mean. Then I will turn it over, applying my oil, and I will top stitch it all around. Okay, after getting this part being done, I will now insert my puller. I'm using 2 pullers for this one. Zip puller, I'm inserting 2 zip pullers. Then I'll now find the midpoint for this gusset, this side that you are seeing that I'm finding the midpoint. Okay, so after getting it, I'm going to sew this little strap to it. They are measuring 3 inches. I need 4 of it, but I'm sewing 2 on this plus my square ring. Okay, I'm inserting it to my square ring of rectangular ring. Okay, can you see? So I'll place it as shown, then I'll now stitch it. Can you see the result? Then I'll bring my down gusset, good side facing good side. This gusset, I did not use lining for it because it's a double face material. I don't want to use lining for it, and it's super strong. Okay, so I have excess, so I now trim it out. So I now also cover this rough edge with my bias tape. Can you see? Can you see? Please just follow it, then I'll top stitch. It's very simple. Then after top stitching, this is my back panel. I've already trimmed it out. You know, I've already fixed the form with my lining. I sew it together. So I'm notching the center now. I'm notching the center. Okay, after notching the center, then I will now bring this belt, but I will sew it as shown. As I fold it by 2 and sew it. Then I cut 6 inches. Okay, I also cut 7 inches. Okay, so watch where I'm going to place it. And now place this 6 inches at the end center, that place that I notch. I place the 6 inches there, then I sew it as shown. Then I now bring the 7 inches and now place it side. Can you see? I place it side, then I now stitch it. It's very easy and beginner friendly. So after getting this part, I'll now use the other strap, which is measuring 3 inches with my square ring. I'll place it as shown. Okay, can you see? I'll just place it as shown, then I'll stitch it. Can you see the result? Very beautiful. So after that, I've notched my gusset and my front panel. That place that I sewed up is my notch, is my center for the up gusset for this front gusset. So I'm now aligning it notch side to notch side, then I'll arrange it very well. Can you just see what I'm doing? After I arrange it very well, I will go ahead and stitch it round. Okay, so after that, I will bring the back panel, I will stitch it round. I will now tape it with my bias tape. After taping it, I will now bring my back panel, then I'll place it and sew it using the same method. Can you see? So to my returning subscribers, you are very welcome. To my new subscribers, you are welcome. To my new viewers, thank you so very much. So if you have watched to this point and you find this tutorial helpful and educative, please do well by giving it a thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below. Can you see how our back has turned out to be? Very beautiful. I'm seeing your prayers, I'm seeing your comments. I love you so very much. I don't know how God loves me so much to give me a team like you. Thank you so very much. So this is the strap now, which is 1 inch and 1.5 inch belt by 60. I measure 60 so that it can be very enough. Okay, so I'll now need 2 hooks. I'm fixing my hook and my adjuster. Okay, just watch what I am doing. Okay, I know you will do it and your own will come out very beautiful. Okay, so this is how to fix an adjuster to a hook. Okay, so you can make this kind of strap or ready-made and just keep them so that anytime you want to do your work, you just attach it. You understand? So I just decided to show you. So can you see how I'm attaching it in case if you want to hang it like a crossbody or a sling back? Okay, so if you want to hang it, if you want to back it, this is where you are going to pass this place, these eyelets, you're going to pass it. Can you see how beautiful it turns out to be? Very beautiful and beginner friendly. So please go ahead and try yours and leave your comments down below. Bye.